In this video, let's see what is the difference after installing the 50mm wheel spacers on your Mercedes. Let's go. Remove the stock bolt. Wheel hanger. Install the wheel hanger. Shock. Shock. This is the stock bolt, and this is extending wheel bolt. The difference in length between them is the thickness of the spacer that we are going to install. The BONOSS Lightweight Plus wheel spacer is further upgraded and optimized for weight based on the common wheel spacer. We call it Lightweight Plus. Under the premise of ensuring safety and reliability, it effectively reduces weight and energy consumption, thus improves control performance and achieves a balance between high performance and environmental protection. The hollow design makes the whole spacer lighter while ensuring safety. Compared with the previous product before the upgrade, the weight is reduced by about 20% on average, and the lightweight effect is more direct. Although Lightweight Plus cost an additional increase in production cost. For a better customer experience, we have assumed this cost and maintained the same price as the previous product before the upgrade. Install the extending wheel bolt. Set the torque range to 140 Nm. Easy! And now we can see the wheel spacers push the wheels out slightly, giving it a more fresh look with the fenders. If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link down on the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day!